Hello and very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I'm your news host Parvati Nirvan, and Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all ongoing happenings and transformation in digital space. Let's get into the world of digital space with English News Bulletin, and let's have a look at the headlines first. WazirX assures users on normal working of crypto exchange amid threat of shutdown. Cryptos gain amid optimism over US economy's performance, Bitcoin above $23,000. Tiffany sells out all 250 NFTiffs for about $50,000 each. Vitalik Buterin calls out ETHW hard fork Proponents as trying to make a quick buck. Nepal prepares to issue digital currency, drafts necessary amendments. Virginia Fairfax County pours $70 million into crypto lending as investment. Gucci taps Miley Cyrus avatar for Roblox fragrance. Metaverse faces a severe real estate meltdown. Job postings tank 81% in Q2 2022. India's WazirX has assured its customer that the cryptocurrency exchange is functioning as usual, with all operations being conducted normally. WazirX statement comes amid threat from its former partner and world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange Binance founder Changpeng Zhao to shut down the exchange. WazirX said that the crypto and INR withdrawals were being processed normally. WazirX co-founder Nishchal Shetty and Zhao engaged in a bitter Twitter war over the weekend, with each accusing other of reneging on agreements and hiding facts. The spat came after India's Enforcement Directorate froze WazirX assets worth $8.1 million as part of its investigations on loan app companies siphoning off funds to foreign locations by using accounts created with WazirX exchange. Cryptocurrencies continued to trade higher in Asian trades on Monday, amid optimism that the US economy was resilient enough to sustain the shocks of Federal Reserve's pace of aggressive rate hikes, and the fact that the fresh reading of inflation later this week could show up that the scorching pace of the price rise may be slowing. US stock futures traded slightly lower in overnight trades after S&P 500's third straight weekly gain. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 70 points. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures both fell 0.3%. Investors were spooked by the robust job addition last month. The US labor market added 528,000 jobs in July, more than double the projections of a 258,000 increase. The unemployment rate ticked down to 3.5%, below the 3.6% estimate. A new reading for the Consumer Price Index, which includes energy and food, slated for release on Wednesday, is expected to dip to 8.7% in July from a 40-year high of 9.1% in June. Traders are now pricing in a higher likelihood of a 0.75 percentage point hike next month, which would be the third straight increase of that magnitude. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $23,200, up over 1.2% in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,700, up 1.4% in similar time frame. Other major altcoins too traded higher. American luxury jewelry retailer Tiffany & Company debuted and sold out all 250 NFTs on Friday in about 20 minutes. Each NFT sold for 30 Ether or about $50,000, generating some $12.5 million in revenue for the company. Tiffany's NFTs are known as NFTiffs, which are digital passes available only to CryptoPunk NFT holders that allow them to change their NFT into a bespoke pendant incorporating gemstones and diamonds. Chain, a blockchain technology company, powers NFTiffs. Those who purchased NFTiffs must redeem their token by August 12, according to Tiffany's website. Custom pendants are planned to be supplied to buyers early next year. According to the website, if an NFT holder sells their token before the pendant is shipped, they will not be able to get the pendant. During the deal, each consumer may purchase a maximum of 3 NFTiffs. While Tiffany swiftly sold out all the NFTiffs, the floor price, the lowest price at which the NFT is now available for purchase, has dropped from the sale price. The current floor price is approximately 27 ETH or $46,000, which could result in a little loss for its investors. During a closed press conference at South Korea Blockchain Week, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin referred to those advocating for a hard fork of Ethereum to keep proof of work as just trying to make a quick buck. Justin Sun just listed 2 new tokens on his Proponents exchange, indicating his support for an Ethereum post-merge hard fork. The coins will be known as ETHS and ETHW, which are abbreviations for proof of stake and proof of work respectively. Sun will donate up to 1 million ETHW to help grow a developer community. Vitalik remarked that he has only seen positive support for proof of stake from the inside of the community, and that most people who wish to keep proof of work are outsiders to the Ethereum ecosystem. By all accounts, Justin Sun, the founder of the Tron blockchain, is an outsider to the Ethereum environment. Vitalik also stated that the hard fork supporters own exchanges and are only looking to make a quick buck. The Nepal Reserve Bank is ready with revisions to the law determining its powers and responsibilities that would allow the monetary authority to issue a digital version of the country's fiat currency, the Nepalese rupee. According to Revati Nepal, chief of the bank's currency management department, a task force has already drafted an amendment bill. A team headed by Revati Nepal suggested that before developing the CBDC, the regulator needed to introduce the legal provisions that would allow it to implement it. The experts have now proposed concrete steps to move ahead, including the preparation of the legal framework for the digital currency. The executive made it clear that the Nepal Reserve Bank is not in a hurry to issue the digital currency. The monetary authority of the Himalayan nation wants to first observe how neighboring countries in South Asia, including India and China, proceed with their introduction to CBDCs. Pop star Miley Cyrus takes to Roblox to promote Gucci's new fragrance, Gucci Flora, and it's a party in the Metaverse. Cyrus, a celebrity ambassador for Gucci's Beauty's Flora Gorgeous Jasmine campaign, features as an avatar in Gucci Town, a Roblox experience that lets players to explore the world of Gucci through minigames, scavenger hunts, a Gucci museum, and much more. Roblox users may also interact with Cyrie's avatar and snap virtual photos with her, which they are urged to share on social media. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of crypto world, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on 3.0 TV. For more updates, latest stories, news podcast, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe 3.0 TV on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. I am your news host Parvati Nirban signing off for now. See you tomorrow and have a wonderful day. Tada!